Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to insert a video into a PowerPoint presentation. So how to do it? Let's follow the steps. Open your PowerPoint presentation and then choose the slide where you want to add or insert the video. For example, I want to add the video on this slide number 7. Click on Insert, then click on the video option in the right top corner. There are two options. That is online video and video on my PC. If you are going to add a video from online source, for example, YouTube, etc. Select the online video, but I'm going to choose the video from my computer. Select this second option. Now, choose your video. For example, I am going to select this video file. Click Insert. You can resize this, and you can play this video. In this way, you can add or insert videos into the PowerPoint presentation.